Hello everyone, today I've got another pasta and pasta sauce review. I'm going to stick with what I know with regards to the pasta, so I give the sauce every chance because today I'm using a sauce I've never had anything like before, and my previous experience with Carbone or Carbone wasn't good, and I'm a little afraid I'm not going to like this, but I'm going to give it a shot anyway. Let me bring it up to the camera closer. We take a close look at what we're trying today. This is Carbone's Spicy Vodka Sauce. Now, normally it's my understanding that vodka sauces have cream in them. I'm an instant no on that. I don't even want to try that. But this one stood out because when you look at the ingredients on it, which we could turn, I suppose, this way, we can see it's got imported Italian tomatoes, puree, basil, salt, onion, sugar worries me. That's not good. But it's got Calabria pepper spread, which is made up, it's got sunflower oil. I'm getting a little worried here, but let's see. We go down here, we've got olive oil, garlic, vodka, and black pepper. And it does seem to be a bit watery. However, we'll give it a good shake. We'll get it cooked up. We're going to put it on the Barilla Mini Penne, and I'm going to try spicy vodka sauce. Again, never had any kind of vodka sauce before. I like vodka. I like pasta. Sure, why not? Let's try it. Come on. All right, here's the pasta sauce cooking right along, bubbling. It looks like it's ready to go. And yeah, actually is not as watery as I thought it looked in the jar. Over to the pasta. Pasta's cooking real good as standard. And finally, here is the completed dish. And yeah, let's give it a try. Well, this is my first time trying any vodka sauce of any kind. So I might like it, I might hate it. I don't know. The fact that it's spicy and there's no cream in it, as I previously mentioned, sounds like something I might like. We're about to find out. Real life. Here we go. New favorite? Throw it in the trash? I don't know. That's different. Now, so far, I'm not tasting any vodka at all. I had to study it. I don't taste any spice. It's definitely not what I would call spicy. I think it could do without the sugar. Whatever that added sugar is, it didn't need it. This tastes like a sweet marinara to me. Whatever is the vodka in this vodka sauce, no idea. The sweetness, it's uh it's a little much for me. It's barely tolerable. If it was any sweeter, it's like something you'd give to the kids or something. Uh, for me personally, I've got to say that this brand Carbone just does not strike a chord with me at all. Thought I'd give them another chance just to see if maybe, they do a sauce much better than the others that they make, and that's two in a row now. So I think I'm going to give up with this particular manufacturer for me and my taste personally. And of course, if I haven't made it clear prior, the Barilla Mini Penne kind of stands unique in the pasta aisle here in the United States because there's not much other choice for a pennette or a small penne rigata, which has the ridges on it, which I prefer the texture of. Most penne is your average penne. It's pretty large size piece of pasta, which is fine. It's really about textures and flavors for me. I'm a bit of a finicky eater, to put it mildly, and I'm trying to expand my palate a little bit by trying differences of things I already like. So I already like pasta and I already like pasta sauce, but now let's try some different pasta sauces that aren't too extreme for what I'm familiar with. Baby steps. And as I go through this exploration and I record it and I evaluate and review how I feel about it, Carbone, yeah, we're going to have to start seeing other pasta sauces because this just ain't working out. It's not you, it's me. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.